So it's last call. I had to come back and see where it was. And that's it right there. Leaving the screen, going up. I snuck up there to the ISS and I couldn't get anything. The camera I'm looking for isn't showing what I'm looking for. So I came back, down here to see what was up. And this is what's up. So, like I said, it's last call. Just came back for that. The reflection, it's little circles with dots in them. So if you have the capability, check that out. But it's millions of circles, and each one has a dot in it. And they have shapes that are other than round. Haha. I'm not kidding. You really gotta, I'm seeing it with my own eyes. And I can't stop the video. But check those out. Check those circles out. It's not just a reflection of glitter looking stuff. Each one is a actual something. You gotta see it for yourself. It's amazing. So's that. What's left of it. Wish I could. If it would freeze right now, I'd be happy. Of all the times I talk about it freezing, I would like for it to freeze right now. You're not going to believe what those look like. I mean, how specific is this piece of equipment that it makes each, what would be like glittering, its own shape? It's literally its own. I mean, this is some pretty advanced technology here. I mean, we're talking, this is crazy. Alright, that's last call, and I'm out of here. So everyone have a great rest and a good tomorrow, and I'll talk to you soon. Don't forget to check those little circles out. Really check them out. Tell me what you think of those. That's like more amazing than the top part. I mean, it's bizarre. Alright, I'll see ya. Bye. Love you all. God bless you all.